and all you Facebook.
I've got something I need to rage about. Damn dope movie. So, everybody knows, those thousands of people that ain't watching me know that my dog was taken after the old boy got a butt whooping. Anywho, beside the point. They de-nutted my dog. My dog has no nuts. But that ain't what I'm pissed about. I ain't pissed about that little cone on his head either. I took it off and I put it back on because he's not obeying and doing right. But either way, I'm pissed off because these other confused people think that they women when they men and men when they women. Don't mean you can force transgenderism on my dog. You say, how am I forcing transgenderism on your dog? Well, you cut his nuts and then you send him out wearing a pink collar. That's got me pissed. But anywho, I'll get over it. I got that movie coming for you and all. Neil. Anyhow.